guys, welcome back to the channel. Tiffany Quinn here, and this is your 7-minute hourglass figure routine focusing on those abs and upper bodies. So we will be working on our core strength and also upper body endurance, sculpting into the shoulders and the back of the arms. Now today for equipment, we will be using a long band, so you're gonna wanna have one of these, and we're gonna get started really soon. But before we do, I just want you to smash that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe so that you don't miss the rest of the workouts to come. Are you ready to get started? Let's begin. All right, everybody, I hope you're ready to feel that burn in your core because we are gonna get started right away. Now first, just to tell you the format, we're gonna be doing 40-second exercises, taking a 20-second rest between. That way you have a chance to get into position while I show you the next exercise. So first exercise today, I want you to pick up your long band and you're gonna hold both loops at the ends of your hands. Now bring that band right around the tops of your feet and we're going to lift up both of the legs, holding those glutes, elbows in tight. We're gonna extend and bring those knees in. 40 seconds, starting our workout in 3, 2, 1. Okay, shoulders back and down, press out on that band, legs all the way to extension and bringing it back in. The entire time squeezing that core in tight. So these are very controlled movements here. We're not going for speed. We're going for endurance and also putting tension on those muscles. So squeezing the abs in, bringing the legs down as far as you can and leaning back as far as possible without actually falling backwards. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and extend one last time, and you can hold it right here. Now from this position, you've got 20 seconds rest here. You're gonna bring both of those hands together, and the next exercise, you can put a slight bend in the knees if you need to, roll the shoulders back and down. You're gonna squeeze over to the right, and then squeeze over to the left. In 3, and 2, and 1. Let's go, guys. So pulling that band far back as you can, and trying to almost tap the ground behind you. So hip bone to hip bone here. We did this in our last routine where we did those Russian twists, but this time we're just using the band. Now if you can, straighten those legs out. It's gonna make it that much harder. And lean back just a little bit further, working those oblique muscles, squeezing the abs. There we go. 5, lean it back. 4, slow and controlled. 3, and 2, and last one. Now come to the center and you can release both of those legs to the floor. Great job, everybody. We are on exercise number 3, where we're actually gonna come all the way down to the floor this time. So keeping the band where it is, let's lift both of those legs up into a tabletop position. Now I want you to have the arms at a 90-degree angle here, elbows resting on the mat. We're gonna press out against the band, straightening out, and bring those knees back into a 90-degree angle. Let's get started. So pressing those heels out, straight away from you, the entire time, really squeeze that core. Now face straight ahead, tuck the chin, and then also keep the rib cage down. That back is flat against the mat. Now the lower you bring your legs, the harder this exercise is gonna be, and it is okay that you do that so long as you don't have any gap between you and the mat, so your back is really stuck to that mat. Keep going, guys, nice and slow. 5, and 4. Let's do 3 more. 3, and 2, ignore that timer for just a second. Give me one last one, and we're gonna hold here. Now from here, you're gonna take both of those loops into your right hand. Now release the left leg out of that loop and place it on the floor and extend that leg down. Now you're gonna bring your hand behind your head. We're gonna lift up, keeping that leg straight, and twist back on one side. Let's get started. This is not an easy one, and I know it might take you a second to kind of adjust to what you're doing here, but just take it slow and really squeeze that shoulder, that back muscle as you twist over to the side, trying to twist as far back around as you can. Control movement, control breathing. So every time you come up, just exhale out and breathe in on the way down, using those abs to lift yourself up, keeping that leg nice and straight. We've got 40 seconds of these on both sides. You can do this. We've got 2 more reps here. Come up, twist over to the side, and let's take it one last time. Come up and twist. All right, we're gonna switch those legs, so just flip it around if you need to see what I'm doing still, and put that leg into that loop. We're gonna come all the way down to start, and and extend that left leg long, right leg stays bent, the right arm behind the head, and we're gonna lift up, and again, twisting that elbow back. Let's get started. So keep that flex in the foot and really squeeze that lower ab area. So we're working a few things here. We're working the arms because we're pulling that row back, and then we're also working the lower abs as we squeeze ourselves up and those obliques. So all of these things we're working with just one exercise, which I think is pretty fabulous when we can do multi-dimensional things like that. Let's keep going. 3, twist it back even further. Good job, everybody. 2, and just give me one more. We're gonna switch the position and twist it back and release. All right, our next exercise, we're gonna take that band, and I want you to just come into an upright position here, feet flat on the mat, and you're gonna place it around your shoulders, holding the loops with your thumbs. Now from here, we're gonna punch from side to side. So lean back as far as you can without going backwards, and in 3, and 2, and 1. I want you to hold those fists to about chest level, and you're punching across. Now, if you want to make this even harder, because right here we are working the arms, but we want to work those abs even more. So if you can, let's lift both of those legs up off the floor, and then if you're super advanced, you can even straighten those out and lean back a little bit further. You should be feeling this in your core, and we only have one more exercise to go after this, which I think personally is going to be the hardest exercise. So just bear with me for one more minute, and then you have made it through this workout. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take the hands, extend in front and hold. Now pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, take that band. We're bringing it back around the tops of our feet like we had before. And this time, what we're gonna do is as we roll back, we're gonna bring the knees in, and then we're gonna come up and straighten them out and hold for 3, and 2, and 1. Starting in that V-sit position, let's get started. So knees come in, you're rolling back vertebrae by vertebrae, lifting up, shoulders back down, and hold for 2, 1. Elbows in towards the waist, guys. Really keep everything controlled here. 3, 2, 1. Knees come in, roll it back. Chin is tucked, facing straight ahead for 3, 2, 1. We're gonna do 2 more reps. Knees come in, roll back, roll up and straighten. 3, 2, 1. Ribs down. Last time. Make it your best one, guys. 3, and 2, and 1. You can release those legs down to the floor. Congratulations, everybody. That is the end of our workout. Congratulations, you made it through the workout. I am super, super proud of you. Now before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we do have 2 more workouts to go for the Hourglass Figure program, and that includes the glutes and then a finale with hamstrings. Also, don't forget that I want you to do this workout 7 times through, and that is how you're gonna start to see results because again, they don't happen overnight. You do need to be a little bit more consistent and repetitive with it. So 7 times through, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you did enjoy it. It's gonna help me reach more people like you who need more workouts like this. I hope you have a beautiful day and congratulations again on making it through.